Sheikh, when you combine two salawats like Zohar and Asr, it's Asr time. Which salawat do you need to do first, Zohar or Asr? You can't change the sequence. Whether you are praying Zohar and Asr together at the time of Zohar, you still have to pray Zohar first and Asr afterwards. And whether you are praying Zohar and Asr at the time of Asr, you still have to pray your Zohar first and Asr afterwards. And suppose if you missed your Fajr, you missed your Zohar, you missed your Asr, and because of a genuine reason, and then you were totally busy throughout the day due to a serious consequences, and now you want to pray all those prayers at the time of Maghrib. Still you can't change the consequences. You still have to pray Fajr first, Zohar, Asr, and then you pray Maghrib. Or the same thing when you're doing this, all the prayers that you got the time, only you were, relaxed from your problem, you got only time, you forgot and you had a problem, any general reason you could not pray your prayers, and you got only the time to pray after Isha or at the time of Isha. Again, the sequence will be same, but the sequence will not change. Sequence will still remain the same. Same thing when you enter the masjid and at the time of Isha prayer, or at the time of Maghrib prayer, and Imam is still there, he's praying his Isha or Maghrib, and whatever the prayer that you have missed, you can join him with that intention. Alhamdulillah.